Hi, Liz. So I have a short video for you on how I am folding plastic bags. And I also am going to send you some photos too, but I just wanted to show you this. This is what I've been using to store my plastic bags. I don't know if you can tell, but I liked the color of this one, but it's a bit beat up at this point. I've been using it to store my bags since 2016. It's not in terrible shape. And I'm down to the first layer of my bag storage, right? So I don't have many bags in here, which I'm pretty happy about. So let me show you how to fold these. So you take your bags, it's already folded. You take your bag and you flatten it. And it really doesn't matter, like this bag was folded with the edges kind of firmed in a bit, so that really doesn't matter. Let me move this down. You're going to place your bag. You don't need to have a cat nearby in order to fold your bags, but I know that you do have a cat, so that'll go well. But you're going to place your bag on a flat surface. Really see the cat now, like so. And you're always working to form a rectangle. So I'm going to fold in half. Other way. And then I'm going to fold in half again. So now you have your rectangle. From here, I just like to take the end of the bag and just run my hand along it to allow the air to come out and to get the bag nice and flat. Doesn't have to be perfect, right? It's a plastic bag. Then I take my handle end and I fold that in. So that way now I have a more aligned rectangle, if you will, right? So I'm folding those edges in. I do the same thing with a sweater or a blanket. With any fringes, I fold the edges in. And then from here, I'm going to imagine a midline in my bag. And I'm going to take the bottom of my bag into the midline, the top of my bag into the midline. And now it looks like I have an open book. I close the book, give the bag a little squeeze, and it will stand up. So these are my favorite bags to fold, actually, because they fold up really, really nicely. Then you just place that in with your other bags and you're all set. So hopefully that helps. I know I'll see you in a little bit, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, Liz. Bye. Here it is.